One from Clean Max. Clean Max team, one player. And one team from Team Otius. Miss Dinah, madam, if you can help one team member to send. Yeah, okay. Thank you very much. We are all set here. Second day of the Brookfield Premier League 2025. सभी का जोरदार स्वागत है. आज की शाम सारे ब्रुकफील्ड क्रिकेटर्स के नाम. कुछ तो कमाल करेंगे, कुछ तो धमाल करेंगे. देखना होगा कौन किसको करेगा बेहाल और कौन बनेगा मैच का मालामाल. वेलकम टू द एक्साइटमेंट ऑफ क्रिकेट, द गेम ब्रुकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग 2025. Day 2, match number 1. Fielders all set, umpires are ready. We have the two fantastic umpires, the young umpires, the OG umpires, Mr. Jitender, and leg umpire we have Devasar joining. Okay, all set. 3, 2, 1, game on! Skipper on strike, first ball, short pitch ball being pulled away just for the fielder. Will they come back for 2? Yes. Couple of runs. What a start from Skipper. Skipper Porush. दमदार शुरुआत, पहली गेंद पर 2 रन. This time up and over. Let's see. Send back. So Manish, not every run, because it will save the wickets also. And that's what at the other end we have Abhishek. He said no for run to captain.
And I don't know whether you noticed in the last bowl or not, but then it was captain versus captain. AJ versus PC. But they're playing very safe. 3 runs so far in 2 ball. So that's a late cut. What I got to know yesterday by one of the umpire. He was teaching me post-match, bro. The shot that they play, I mean, they go in the back foot and they just, yeah, that's a late cut. जिसको हम slice कह रहे थे. Slice in a modern, in the Gen Z slang.
Porush is settling himself, yes, because the energy is needed. Burning the calories, but getting the runs also. Here we go, up and over, in the air. Only a single.
What a bowling by this man, Atul. Just 5 runs and 5 deliveries so far. He always, yesterday also, he was leading from the front to his team. And so as the man who's on the striker's end.
This time very good batter bowling into the block hole. ये होता है कैप्टन वर्सेस कैप्टन कांटे की टक्कर.
Well, that was a 1 bounce. I think they need to know. I don't know. Umpires are yet to decide. They are just coming.
Yes, absolutely. Umpire will decide.
And it's going to the third umpire.
Yes. So वो कहते हैं अब डायरेक्टली उच्च न्यायालय के पास.
जहां पर जो इंसाफ होता है वो सोच कर समझ कर दिया जाता है. and it has gone to third umpire.
एंड वन द थर्ड अंपायर, सो वो एक हार्ट बीट होती है, वो धक धक होता है, वो एक्साइटमेंट होता है. धक धक, दिल धक धक. एब्सोल्युटली. Look out, all eyes on the.
Just trying to give the effect. What's up, man? Good to see you. BCOG, full power. And Team Evren, the man running, I don't know what, Ajinkya. Even they played really well last year. And the team बोलते हैं ना, एक टीम होती है जो मैच जीती है, एक टीम होती है जो दिलों को जीतती है. तो टीम एवरन, इनविंसिबल एनर्जीज वर द वन. डेफिनेटली जो हमारे विनर्स थे उन्होंने जीता ही, बट एक टीम जो बोलते हैं ना हार के जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं, तो वो टीम एवरन थी.
Yes. Oh, that's third umpire. Oh, you did.
That's a big shock to this team. Clean Max Hybrid, that's a big loss. The captain is coming to the dugout. He is really not happy from that, I'm sure. But एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक धुरंधर है इस टीम में. तो टेंशन लेने की बात तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. This girl plays really good cricket, man. She does what needs to be done for the team.
We said yesterday, if you know, that cricket is not now it's a gentleman's game, it's everyone's game now.
Of course, man. I don't know who said this, but the same belief I had in 2005 when I saw India playing World Cup for the first time. I hope you remember that in 2005. सबसे पहली बार जब इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप, इंडिया विमेंस टीम वर्ल्ड कप खेलने गई थी.
Oh, that's one more wicket fall of Clean Max.
Holy moly, this is turning out to be... Oh my God. Okay. Atul, may I request you to please send one of your team. Please send one of your player to the com box for the scoring. दो बहुत बड़े विकेट.
So 5 for 2. Clean Max. Let's see, need to come back with strong intent. Let's see. On the non-striker end, we have Pooja. Striker and Sritam, the new batter, coming at number 4. Already. That's a good cover drive. Oh, no, no, no. Yes, lucky. Pooja, she reached the non-striker, bit of fumble and bit of delay from the fielder, and they got 2 runs on the board. 7 पे 2, Clean Max. Oh, this time good. One more chance. He has dropped that. We can see on the big screen the action replay. Looking to flick over mid-wicket. And yeah, oh my God, that was one more chance. Luck in the favor of Team Clean Max. Yes, that was the catch. That किस्मत का साथ Clean Max team के नाम. Good fielding, no runs. Oh wow, excellent. That's good timing, very well played. And how many runs? Only a single. To the spectators watching live, 6 and 4 if the batsman hits straight down the ground. Leg side and offside, we have some different rule, so you can keep a note. 8 रन 2 विकेट नुकसान पर टीम क्लीन मैक्स. अच्छी शुरुआत की है टीम Otis. Swing and a miss, looking for a big one. Atul started really well. Now Gaurav also started really well. But let's see now who will take that responsibility. Sritam or Pooja. The big responsibility on their shoulders now. Once again looking to play across the line. Totally beat हो गए कीपर के दस्तानों में. That's a very good over. Only 3 runs conceded by Gaurav. 2 ओवर के बाद 8 पे 2 clean max. Now Pooja on strike. That's going outside the option line for wide. Ankit started the proceedings for the over number 3 from Team Otis. That's very good bowling. That's clever. Good comeback from Ankit. It's 9 for 2. Looking to swing at the onside, but didn't get a proper connection. Let's see if she can try once again to swing. Very well left, as she knows a ball going down outside the off-stump line. Runs are getting in the extra, counted as 10 for 2 now, clean max. 10 पे 2. That's a very good bowling, good comeback. She's trying to play across the line, completely missed it. Good strategy from the captain, Atul from Team Otis. There's something discussion with the umpire on so wide run is counted only 1 run. Looking to swing once again onside, completely missed it. Good bowling from Ankit. Only 2 runs conceded, and that 2 runs came with both the wides. Yes. Oh, sent back. Pooja will face the last ball of 5 balls. So that's a rule for the women's 6 balls. They have a chance of 6 ball and then the inning declared for Pooja. That's excellent bowling from Ankit. That's end of the over. 3 ओवर के बाद 10 पे 2. She tried really well but she didn't get a connection. Very well played though Pooja. No issue, no issue. Next time करेंगे कुछ कमाल. 3 ओवर के बाद 10 पे 2. Clean max. Short pitch ball and looking to play for a big one. Didn't get a connection. You can see the action replay on the big screen. Lucky there the batsman has not got the edge. Jatin with the bowling. The new bowler. Waited for the ball. The back foot shot over the fielder, only a single. It says that slow and steady wins the race. So धीरे धीरे हौले हौले रन्स बढ़ाने की कोशिश, स्ट्राइक रोटेट करने की कोशिश करेंगे टीम क्लीन मैक्स. Once again over the fielder. Only a single. So runs are coming, runs are coming. But what a good strategy from Captain Atul from Team Ortius. Dancing down the track. And that's cracking shot. Will they come back for two? Yes, no, yes, no. Direct throw that was, but excellent running. बहुत ही तेज भागे. 2 रन के साथ स्कोर में होगी बढ़ोतरी 14 पे 2. क्लीन मैक्स. (14 for 2). Coming up the last 2 balls of the 4th over. Just a single. So yet another good over from Team Ortius. Previous over 2 runs and now only 5 runs so far. Last ball. Straight to the fielder, but they will take a run. End of the over. 4 ओवर के बाद चार ओवर के बाद 16 पे 2. क्लीन मैक्स. So one important announcement, everyone. So kindly note, tea, beverages and all eatables are not allowed inside the turf, outside the turf indeed. So you can have your meal, your coffee, your tea inside the turf, not the outside the turf. Not allowed inside the turf. Please cooperate and maintain cleanliness on the ground. Thank you. So you can have your refreshment outside the turf. That's gone. What's the umpire's call? Oh, that's a 4 runs. That's the first boundary we're witnessing of the day. Excellent shot. Well picked up. Nicely timed. One bounce into the fence. And that's what Atish, he is one of the fantastic batter and bowler. A low toss up delay, looking to play straight to the field. A good stop at the mid-on region. That's very good comeback from Gaurav. His bowling is second. Score is 20. All eyes on Atish. From the team Clean Max dugout. That's very well left. Down the leg side for wide. Umpire Mr. Jitendra signaling that 21 for 2. This time nicely and one bounce. Yet another boundary. Back to back 4. दमदार शानदार और बैट्समैन बोलेंगे खबरदार 4 रन। तो ये होता है क्रिकेट का खेल। अब सेकेंड गियर थर्ड गियर में गाड़ी को पहुंचा रही है क्लीन मैक्स टीम। 25 ऑन द बोर्ड। They struggle at the start, but it's now time to get many runs on the board, and they're trying in level best very well. Once again, one bounce for the fielder. There was a bit of in the air, but safe. 25 पे 2. Fifth over in progress. Low tossed up delivery. Single played at leg side. That's the mid wicket region. So good over from Clean Max side. They got the runs. They got a couple of boundaries. Excellent bowling. This is absolutely class. Good comeback. Over की समाप्ति. 10 runs are conceded by Gaurav in that over. 5 ओवर के बाद 26 पे 2. Team Clean Max. Coming up the last 2 overs of the first innings. And the discussion will be like, बस मारो मारो और मारो और तोड़ दो. Because it's like 12 balls remaining now. And they will get many runs. And this is not enough. They will think for sure. Maybe they can try 40, 50 plus. Could be the decent total to defend for Clean Max. And this time, high in the air. Oh, it's taken just at the advertisement banner. Could be 6, but no. Good taken, well taken there at long on region. And what is this? Oh, Anusha. She strikes very first ball of her bowling. क्या बात है? That's gone very much high, and you can see the action replay on the big screen, and good catch. And look at the excitement. Yes, very happy. And why not? You should be. और यहाँ पर जैसे कल हुआ था, एक नारी पड़ गई भारी, नाश्ता में खाया था बटर खारी. That's wicket number 3rd fall of Clean Max. 26 पे 3. We have Ratik, the hero of the previous match, with the bat now. And yes, हीरो बोल दिया तो हीरो ने एंट्री ले लिया 6 रन के लिए. क्या बात है, स्वैग से स्वागत कर दिया है पहली गेंद पर. दमदार 6 रन के लिए. Waited for the ball and cleared. Bang on. First ball 6. Ratik. This time going down the track. Oh, what an effort that was. Was that an outside edge or no? Excellent effort. Yeah, that's excellent effort there. We are not sure that was outside edge or no. Going down the track in the air. Will they come back? Quick running. Chance. Chance. 2 runs taken. 2 रन के साथ स्कोर में होगी बढ़ोतरी. 34 पे 3. क्लीन मैक्स. इस ओवर के 2 गेंद बचे हैं. Let's see what team Clean Max can do. Once again in the air, cleared, cleared, yes. Excellent shot. 6 runs, 1 more hit. And that's, we're talking about that 40, 50. Yes, they can get 50 plus. 1 more 6 at long on region. 40 पे 3. Once again, high in the air. Let's see, long on fielder. Oh, he tried it. He tried, but that will go for 6 more. क्या बात है. 20 रन आए इस ओवर से. 6 ओवर के बाद 46 for 3. And look at the smile on the face of all Clean Max there. मायूसी छाई थी, अब देखिए हरियाली छाई है डगआउट में फॉर टीम क्लीन मैक्स. 20 of the over and 6 overs 46 for 3. Coming up the last over of the first innings. And that's Ratik. In the previous match he's got 4 sixes. Now 3 sixes in this match. Down the track. Fielder had long on. Only a single. Ankit bowled really well in his first over, considered only 2 runs, and now his bowling is second and also the last over of the innings. He lost his momentum and that's gone down the leg side for wide. 48 for 3 down. Let's see, Ratik will try to connect one more hit. That's played, hit hard. Will they come back for 2? They're going for 2. And what is happening there on the field? A bit of fumble there. They didn't collect. And due to some delay, they got 2 runs. So Clean Max के यहाँ पर 50 रन पूरे जोरदार चाले हो जाए वो Clean Max. Wow. 50 रन पूरे. इस बार हवा में गेंद. 1 bounce, 2 bounce. Safe landing. One run. Coming of the last 3 balls of the first innings, 51 for 3. We talked about at 40-50. And yes, that could be defend. They have the good bowlers. One special is Atish. High in the air, chance for the catch. Let's see who is the fielder underneath. And he takes it comfortably. 51 for 4 down, 2 balls left. और एक बड़े शॉट मारने का प्रयास लेकिन एलिवेशन नहीं मिला. बहुत ही ऊपर चले गए गेंद और एक इजी कैच. That's a wicket number 4 down of team Clean Max. 2 ball left. 6.4. 51 for 4 down. Very well played. Excellent performance. And that's runs are coming, yes. ये होता है क्रिकेट का खेल. कभी खुशी कभी गम. कौन बनेगा मैच का सिंघम. इस बार उठा दिया है फ्लैट. 2 रन लेंगे जरूर. What's umpire's call? OUT. That's out. Just short of the crease and gone. One more wicket. Looking for 2. Good throw. Absolutely good throw from the long off fielder. और एक विकेट की पतन. Here you can see on the big screen. Coming up the last.
Okay. May I request Team Brookfield Gladiators, can you all please join us at the... Everybody, along with the captain, may I request all the players to please join us at the presentation area. Well, the match is quite intense. People are juggling with the ball there.
What happened there?
क्या चुराया है run?
Refer to the umpire. And it's like they've taken 4 runs while running.
Okay. Team Invincible Energy. Team Everin, may I request Shagun? Along with your team, please join us. Check. Can we on the speaker which is this side, yeah? Console team, please on the speaker which is this side. Check. Thank you. आ जाइए Shagun along with your team. Along with your team. Not just one, along with your team. Yeah? Guys, please join us. On the right, on the right. I'll call you. Just stand there. Hello everybody, Team Brookfield Gladiators on the left. Join us guys, come on, make some noise for yourself everybody. What happened to you bro, going through a breakup or something, you're not shouting. You just need to make some noise for your team, alright? Okay, what's the, oh hey, my man, the only man shouting there. Okay, well I really want to know what was the war cry that you guys had last year. Tell me, decide the war cry please. Shagun, what was the war cry? You remember? Invincible. No, so what was that? It's just Invincibles. So how do we do that? Invincibles. Oh, perfect. And what is the war cry this side? Fast. Go Gladiators. जल्दी आ जाओ यहाँ पे. जल्दी सबके सब. आप लोग यहाँ पे आ जाओ फटाफट. फटाफट. In the camera. Okay. नहीं, I'll say Brookfield Gladiators, then you people gonna shout. Then I'll say Team Everett, then you people gonna shout. Chalo, let's do it on the countdown of first you people, all right? All right, on my left, we've got Team Brookfield Gladiators on the countdown of 3, 2, 1. You know, our viewers got confused right now. Okay, guys, they were saying go Gladiators, all right? I'll say go. You guys are not supposed to go anyway. Just stand here and say Gladiators. Chalo, let's do it on the countdown of 3, 2, 1, go! Gladiators! Well done. Big hand for yourself, everybody. On the right, Team Everin. Shagun, let's go. On the countdown of 3, 2, 1. On the countdown of 3, 2, 1, we all gonna shout looking out there in the camera. 3, 2, 1. भाई एनर्जी तोड़फाड़ है, हाई है, बढ़ते तालियां हो जाए. Big hand for yourself. Only captain's gonna stay here. Rest of the players, may I request you all to please stand on the right and on the left. First match we are playing for the season. Shagun, good to have you this year once again. And pleasure meeting my brother. May I request Shiva Bhai to please join us. Mr. Shiva Konar for the toss. Who's gonna be giving the call? Yeah, who'll give the call? Okay, Shagun. Heads is the call. And tails it is. So congratulations. Brookfield Gladiators, what do you like to go for?
We'll ball first.
You'll bowl first. क्या रन है दिमाग में आप restrict करने वाले हो to your opponents?
So we are trying to go with our strengths and we'll try to restrict them below 35. Let's below pass score.
चलो देखते हैं. All the best, my brother. Thank you so much. And may the best team wins, brother. And Shagun, good to see you once again. So, कितने runs target like you guys going to be putting up a target for them?
We're realistically thinking of 40.
40. You people may go beyond that because I know you got a good players here. So how are you feeling? Brookfield Premier League Season 5, कैसा लग रहा है?
It's amazing. It's really great to be back, and we're back with a bang, and we hope to have fun.
All the best. Thank you so much. High five. Full power. Thank you so much. That's it from the Tosca boss, guys. We've got team Brookfield Gladiators on the left. On the right, team Everin, team Invincible Energy. Brookfield Gladiators has won the toss. They've chose to ball. And rest of the things you're going to be getting it from my brother right out there in the comm box. Mitesh, over to you.
Thank you very much, Manish. That was a great energy you have developed between all the players. That was actually looking good. Manish, क्या बात है? Magical Manish. Thank you very much.
And marvelous Mitesh.
Okay, heading towards the chase. और देखना होगा कौन जीतेगा इस मैच का रेस. Welcome back once again to the Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5 is on. Second day, first match is on. Clean Max. They won the toss, initially elected to field first. No, indeed, Ortiz won the toss, elected to field first. And they let Clean Max to bat. So in start they struggled, but they got a decent setup of the target given to the team Ortiz. And here we go. We are ready. All set. Umpires are ready. Fielders are ready. And everyone, are you ready? Make some noise once again. Come on. You.
We are ready.
Game on. First ball. Looking to play at covers. Ball went towards that point region. And single run. Off the mark with the single first ball. Atul and Gaurav, the opening pair. And Rahul Matre already started the proceedings from Team Clean Max. The target of 57 to chase. Oh, that's very good bowling. Ball passing very close to the stumps. Wow, what a beauty of a delivery. Lucky there, the batter. Ho, 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 very good bowling प्रेशराइज किया है दूसरी गेंद पर. Excellent bowling from Rahul. In the air, looking to play up for big one. Oh, suddenly Jonty Rhodes. Kya baat? Great athleticism. Only a single or a no run? No run. Oh, indeed a no run. Or is a single? Oh, that single. We updated scores. 2 runs on the board. 3 balls being bowled. That's gone straight high in the air, but safe. Once again, good bowling from Rahul. क्या बात? मात्र 4 रन दिए हैं पहले ओवर में. And let's see now Gaurav and Atul looking to play. They will look for big hit. Let's see. Last ball of the first. Again a swing and a miss. Good bowling from Rahul. Just conceded 4 runs. बेहतरीन शुरुआत. एक ओवर के बाद 4 रन, कोई विकेट नहीं. Down the leg side for wide, we have umpire Mr. Deva sir with his expertise and experience on the cricket. Many matches, many tournaments. Deva sir having a fantastic job. Let's see about Team Otis. This time that played. Good stop. Oh, direct hit. Could be the chance. Ho, ho, ho. We can see the replay. You can come to know that. How he was short of the crease. Oh, lucky there, the batter. Oh, this time excellent bowling. Changing line and length. Totally beat हो गए बैट्समैन. Across the line खेलना चाहते थे. So if bowler is bowling offside and if you're playing leg side, 90% chance you will miss it for sure. But if you have a clear intent, if you have a good strategy of understanding the ball, you can hit easily. Though offside or onside. This time played the wideish long off. Oh, they're going for 2 or only single? Oh, what's happening there? What's happening there? Oh my God! Overthrows, extra runs. क्या हो रहा है? क्या हो रहा है? There a bit of mix-up, comedy of errors, and how many runs? जहां पर 1 रन हो सकता था वहां पर और 2 रन दिए हैं. 2 free runs given, the total 3 runs. क्या बात है? 49 to get from 33, the equation, there is a difference, but let's see. Yes, a good comeback from Rohit. Every team is very strong here. Every cricketer. And that's what the strategy is called. The body language, the confidence, the power, the energy is on. Looking to play. Oh, what happened there? Direct hit. I think he can try that at the non-striker end could be the chance. He tried to hit on the striker's stumps, but didn't hit directly. And a quick single. बहुत ही तेज भागे. वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस भी फेल इनके सामने. Coming up the last ball of the second. That's played to the square leg region for a single. No, they're going for two. बिल्कुल जिंदगी में कोशिश और चाहत होनी चाहिए क्योंकि जितना चाहोगे उतना पाओगे कोशिश नहीं करोगे तो ठाइटा फिश हो जाओगे क्या कहते हो मनीष
I don't know about fish, man. I'm a vegetarian. But I know about the game that is going on really well. That is really well because Team Altis Warrior, guys, what? I mean, they've kept it so easy going for their team now. Both the openers, Sochi Samji game hai. And I feel Clean Max Hybrid is in a little bit of pressure here.
Indeed, we can say,
There's not even a single wicket, man.
but
They
indeed
can pull
we
it
can say
off
what a
well.
good start from Team Clean Max. They are defending the score because the equation says 46 of 30 balls. The score is different.
It really doesn't matter because the kind of okay, the first 2 overs, yeah, I think it's okay, it's good. They still have 1 over to play. I mean, like, I hope you know what over I'm talking about. But yeah, they just need 1 good over and they are there.
Let's see. Hope the best team wins.
What a bowling, man. What a bowl. That's a wicket.
Oh, that's what a stumping. It was Manish as quick as lightning speed.
Yes, my brother. It's a hit wicket.
Okay, that was hit wicket.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, indeed, that's what a hit wicket, not a stumping. Oh, wicket ki patan. So, the Clean Max team was waiting for that money. They got a first wicket. And this is the game of cricket. Every team, it's a roller coaster ride. Anything can happen at any point of time. Just a 1 over. It's a limited format game. So it's like 1 over. और ये मैच को परिवर्तन करने का ओवर होता है. We have the new batter, Anusha. क्या अनुषा खेलेगी अपने अनुशासन के साथ? देखना होगा. Interesting to watch. Attacking fielding for her, and on the onside you can watch. Maybe not visible on a big screen right now, but you can see 2 fielders, a very short mid wicket. Oh, he played over that. Oh, the chance for the catch. And what happened there? Oh, ho, catch छूटा, सपना टूटा है. Looking for a big one. Short pitch ball. Went very high in the air. और यहाँ पर मिला है जीवन दान. Lucky. Luck in the favor of Anusha. Twelve for one. So Anusha off the mark with a single. Wow, first ball. Kya baat? Now Gaurav on strike. That's being crunched. Only a single. Back Anusha on strike. Anusha ki wapas hogi bari. What's happening there? Oh, ho, ho, what happened there? She was outside the crease. Oh, my God. You need to take care of that. And that was out. Presence of mind of the wicket keeper, skipper there. We have the new batter, Surendra and Gaurav. Surendra off the mark with a single. That's being crunched once again. A hook shot. Short pitch ball overhead, looking for a big. Only a single. A good comeback there from Team Clean Max. Let's see, need to accelerate Team Otis because the required run rate is rising now. Oh, that's good bowling in a fuller length, and the batsman was looking to defense that ball, but here we have a look down the track, and yes, good bowling. Excellent defense. End of the over number 3. It's 15 for 2. The equation says 4 over में चाहिए 42 run. 42 needed from 24 balls. So that's every over. 10.5. You can take as 11 runs every over to get this target chase. So day 2 is on of the Brookfield Premier League 2025. First match is on. And let's see. Second innings. As a target of 57, they're chasing. One big over needed for Team Otis. Excellent bowling straight to the follow through. No runs. That's what Team Clean Max will try to defend its score. That's played smartly to the leg side. Coming for 2, and they'll get a comfortable couple. So if you're not getting boundaries, you can rotate the strike with a single and doubles. That will release out the pressure. That will make the score on, strike rate will rotate, and that will also help to chase. That's clever. That's excellent bowling. Bowler left. He thought something different from the umpire, expecting something, but no, that's a fair delivery. Good bowling. And oh, what happened there? The simple catch has been dropped. It happens, it happens. No worries. And single taken quickly. Once again, what happened? Oh, he's got the outside edge and that's gone. Looking to play across the line. He's got the top edge. He's got the outside edge indeed. And simple catch for skipper. Porish. Good catch. And end of the innings of Ratik. So 19 balls and 39 to get. Run rate is going rising now. Good stuff, excellent bowling from Ratik. Batted really well in the first innings. He's got 3 sixes. He played 23 of 8. Bowling, batting की लाई भारी, bowling भी अब लाई भारी. कट करना चाहते थे, टोटली बीट हो गए. कीपर के दस्तानों में ओवर की समाप्ति 4 ओवर के बाद 18 पे 3 ओवर में चाहिए 39 रन. For 39 to get from 18 balls. Very tough, very tough. That's 13 runs every over. So the run rate from 10.5 is rising to 13 every over now. 3 ओवर में चाहिए 39, 4 ओवर 18 पे 3. High in the air, chance. Oh, she tried to take that. Dropped it. She's disappointed with. Oh my God, a chance. Could be one more wicket for Clean Max. But good stop. They are at covers. Looking to connect. What's the umpire's call? There are no leg byes and byes. So umpire is referring. That is out or not. What's the umpire's call? Not out. So we have no leg by runs rule. That's gone high in the air. Chance. And yes, gone. Mila hai wicket. Ajab Gajab cricket of Team Clean Max. One more wicket fall. They're pressurizing Team Otis. They are in trouble right now because very less balls and many runs to get on the board. One more wicket fall. 19 पे 4. तो मनीष जी 19 पे 4. अब किसकी होगी जीत और किसकी होगी हार? थोड़ा यहां पर संकट में है टीम ऑटिस.
What a wicket that was. चकमा दिया और चकमे के साथ साथ विकेट भी लिया. डगआउट की तरफ आते हुए विशाल और डक पर भेजा है इन्हें. अड़तीस रनों की दरकार 14 गेंदों में. स्कोर है 19-5 विकेट के नुकसान पर 4.4 ओवर. पिछला स्पेल बहुत ही बेहतरीन रहा राहुल का. चकमा दिया पूरी तरीके से विशाल को, नहीं समझ पाए. नहीं पढ़ पाए, नहीं समझ पाए और डगआउट की तरफ उन्हें मजबूर किया जाने के लिए उस गेंद से. बहुत ही बेहतरीन गेंद राहुल की. बैक टू बैक 2 विकेट्स. ही इज ऑन हैट्रिक. एक कैच, उसके बाद आया क्लीन बोल्ड और अब देखते हैं ये कहानी किस ओर जाती है. क्या रुख मोड़ लेती है. जैसे कि हमने कल कहा था और कहा जाता है कि क्रिकेट जो है वो अनिश्चितताओं का खेल है. सो यू नेवर नो, मैजिक हैपेंस इन द क्रिकेट. एंड व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल व्यू ऑफ द मून. गली में आज चांद निकला और कितना प्यारा चांद.
देखना होगा अब कौन सा जो प्लेयर है वो गेंद को चांद तक पहुंचाएगा.
Well, I feel so good looking at the moon, man. I hope you saw that, my brother.
Yes, absolutely. A great camera
It
work.
was brighting. It was bright, shining up high in the sky. तेज था एक. Run rate required 16.29. Target 57 का दिया गया था. I just want to request both teams to restart the match. Moving on to the next ball. And that will be given a white ball from the umpire. Good run between the wickets, but अब काम एक रनों से नहीं चलेगा. They need to hit some sixes, some boundaries. So far, 2 wickets in this over. That's 3 runs given. And the last ball of the over. What a beautiful spell by this gentleman, Rahul. 2 wickets from this over and given only 4 runs. He has kept it tight for the team Altus Warrior.
And Manish, this is that disadvantage of the ball. Tennis ball उड़ जाता है.
And since a very long time, Team Altius was waiting for the shot. 35 runs, 31 runs required in 11 deliveries now.
Yes, still the match is not over. Team Ortiz can try the level best. Though the runs are high, but the intent is higher.
And what a comeback, what a comeback. That was the middle wicket. What a comeback.
Yes, बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग, टोटली बीट हो गए, खेलना चाहते थे और एक बड़ा हिट, लेकिन स्टम्प्स को यहाँ पर उड़ा दिया है और विकेट की पतन. So this is Manish, roller coaster ride. क्रिकेट का गेम है अजब गजब गेम.
But I told you, I was talking about Atish since yesterday, if you remember. He never fails to impress many of them because he plays so good. His bowling, his batting, the time he's on field, he just excels at all the zones, man. He's really good at what he does.
And it's very hard because to being an all-rounder, every time that consistency also Manish.
Moving on the next delivery. And is that a wicket? ये क्या है बाबा? ये टीम क्या खाती है? मुझे बताइए, मुझे भी वही खाना है. पिछले ओवर में they've got 2 consistent wicket. In this over they've got 2 consistent wicket after a boundary. What a comeback. What a comeback by Atish.
Yeah, that's very well taken. That's good athleticism. Yes, with one hand. Yes. Look at the excitement, the energy, the power he used to take that catch. Kya baat, kya baat, kya baat. 7th wicket down. And now the equation says it's 31 needed from 9. मुश्किल है लेकिन नामुमकिन नहीं. What do you say, Manish?
Of course, nothing is impossible. The word itself says that I am possible.
So Manish, we can say this is that the turning point of the match, and it's like a clean max अपनी झोली में मैच करते हुए ऐसा लग रहा है.
I told you they are smart. The captain is smart. This is a dominating team. Last year,
And look at his bowling figures at 8 runs, 3 wickets. And that's what the impact happened.
और यहाँ पर 1 रन.
डायरेक्ट हिट करना चाहते थे लेकिन उन्होंने कहां पर हिट कर दिया, अपनी टीममेट को हिट कर दिया. Well, and coming up the last ball of the penultimate over, we can say. And after this, the last over of the match. अब नैया पार करनी होगी.
1
Third.
sixer if comes in this over. then somewhere, oh my God, ये यहाँ पर I would like to comment about this, like, you know, this team, they try. This girl, look at that girl, the way she went towards, look at the fielding, the way she's put the efforts. It's really commendable, man. They aren't professional. I think that's a wicket.
Oh,
a
that's wicked. Yes. Good throw from Preetham.
Sachin is coming back. Sachit is coming back to the pavilion.
Manish, still possible. It's like 5 big hits can get the match.
You never know. जब तक रिक्वायर्ड रन रेट 35 के ऊपर नहीं जाता, मैं नहीं मानता कि कोई टीम हारी है. ओके.
Yes, back. We are back in the match. 29 रन 6 गेंद. मौका है. Okay. And for the final over, Lydia in the bowling attack. That split straight. Looking for 2. Yes, no, yes, no. They have to run. But no, that was short out the crease. One more wicket fall. खुशी देखिए, खुशी देखिए. Clean Max team. अब यह है इनके नाम मैच कर दिया है. But nevertheless, good effort there by Team Otis. And ये होता है क्रिकेट में. And यहाँ पर last wicket coming up now. 31 for 9. Clean Max. Wow, what a comeback. Lydia, tossed up delivery over the fielder. But ये इनके मैच अब इनके नाम है. अब इनके मैच नाम है. क्या कमबैक किया है. अजब गजब क्रिकेट खेला है क्लीन मैक्स टीम ने. मात्र औपचारिकता की बात की तो यहां पर मिलेंगे एक्स्ट्रा रन डाउन द लेग साइड. अंपायर मिस्टर जितेंद्र सिग्नलिंग दैट 3 गेंदों में 25. उठा दिया है लेकिन ओनली अ सिंगल. अब देखना होगा कितने डिफरेंस से इस मैच को जीते हैं क्लीन मैक्स, बिकॉज इट्स ऑल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट टू गेट दैट नेट रन रेट मेंटेन्ड इन द पॉइंट्स टेबल ऑल्सो. Down the leg side, just a matter of 2 balls left. 33. Last 2 balls of the first match coming up of day 2. Oh. One more wide. Just wait for a while. Just 2 balls left. and Clean Max will have a big shout out. Good stop, no runs. चलो लास्ट बॉल मिला है, एक बड़ा हिट मारने की कोशिश करेंगे जरूर, देखना होगा। आखिरी गेंद इस मैच की, चलिए उड़ा दिया है, भेज दिया है लेग साइड। व्हाट अ गुड फील्डिंग। See, every run is important. Every stop is important. What's the umpire's call? What do you say? Refer to the third umpire. Umpire को टीवी चाहिए. Let's refer to the umpire. तो क्लीन मैक्स ने इस मैच को अब जीत लिया है, एंड जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ it's already the clean max. Yes, the match is done. It's only referring, the umpire is referring for that run out or not. So the victory for the clean max team for the first match, and just a formality is left with the third umpire कि कितने रन से इस मैच को आपने जीत लिया है. It's OUT given out. Oh, that's out. Or still, yes, that's out. All out कर दिया है clean max ने, क्लीन कर दिया है. क्या बात है क्लीन मैक्स टीम. So that's a victory of and I request Team Clean Max to please join the presentation party with Manish and